Hi guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Need For Speed Payback on the Xbox One. So I actually picked this up at Christmas, but I haven't played it yet, and it's now like the middle of January. But yeah, as you can see, there's the front, there's the side, and there's the back, and it says again, win against all odds. I'll move this over here. It says that 45 gig install, single player, Xbox Live multiplayer, and inside we have a code for ASOS. Now if anybody wants that to get the official clothing, if anybody wants that, they can have it because I won't use it. We also have the disc, and then there's going to be some health and safety stuff underneath which nobody wants to read. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing for Need For Speed Payback on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.